Today I finished up over $3,400 on the day. As you can see on the screen, I only took 2 trades today and both winners. Today was just a very slow grinding day. For the first 2 hours, SPY was just stuck in a opening range. Couldn't close outside of a 15-minute opening range, so it was very annoying, very choppy, slow grind up. These are the kind of days I don't like, so I don't trade much when they do this. So before I get into the trades, if you want a 3-day free trial of the room, the link is in the bio. This is a limited time offer. I'm not going to do this very long. I'm just going to give people a free couple day pass just to see behind the curtain, and that's that. So with that said, we're just going to get into the plays now. The first play I took was 957, was 60-50 puts. You can actually, I'm going to leave it up on the screen because my chart is kind of messed up. Price is way up here and it's a huge gap down here. It's because of this red line, which is previous day's low. It's kind of messing up my chart when we have these massive gap ups, and it just ranges on a huge gap up. So yeah, so the first trade was puts at 957, which is right here. As soon as it broke 604, I grabbed the 60-50 puts at $7, and they went from $7 to $9 right there. So that ended up being a pretty good play. Then I didn't touch anything all day long. Powell was testifying first of all, and with it slow grinding up and Powell speaking, just not really anything you can do. To me, just chasing the slow grind up candles was not an option, and you don't want to try to pick the top. Powell wasn't moving the market. Nothing was really happening until 301 is when I decided to grab calls. Right here, you can see we started to pull back a little bit. We were high as 607.46, and it dipped a little bit. And as I saw a huge amount of volume on calls on the 6100 calls strike, and they paid him yesterday, so I was like, okay, maybe we're gonna pop end of the day. So I decided if it broke high a day, I would grab the 6100 calls, and once it did, which was right here, it did break. I grabbed the 6100 calls at 290, and they went from 290 to 380. Didn't really move much. And then I just got out and said, I'm not trading this anymore. I mean, it's not moving. You're fighting every single penny. And yesterday we had an $8 move in an hour, and today we barely moved at all. And it's just, it's very annoying. I'm not trading these days, so I didn't really trade today. So hopefully tomorrow will be a little more volatile.